In this lecture, we are going to calculate the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in an atom. So, the question is nitrogen has relatively stable isotopes, half life that is greater than 1 second, of mass numbers 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17, all except nitrogen 14 and nitrogen 15 are radioactive. So we can say nitrogen 13 is radioactive, nitrogen 16 is radioactive, and nitrogen 17 is radioactive. Calculate how many protons and neutrons are in each of these isotopes of nitrogen. So we have this following nitrogen atom, that is nitrogen 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So let's start with the first one. First we have nitrogen 13. We know that the atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So atomic number is 7 and the mass number is 13. Okay. So number of proton is just equal to atomic number, that is 7, and we know that mass number is basically number of proton and number of neutron, so that is number of neutron plus number of proton, and mass number in this case is given to us, that is 13. So 13 will be equal to number of neutron plus number of proton, and proton is 7. So we can say number of neutron in this isotope is 13 minus 7, that is equal to 6. So for the isotopes having mass number 13, the number of neutron is 6, number of proton is 7, and since it is neutral, so number of electron will be equal to number of proton in neutral species, so that will be equal to 7. So for that, neutron is 7, proton is neutron is 6, proton is 7, and electron is also 7. Similarly, let's see the next one, that is nitrogen 14. In this case also number of proton will be 7, number of neutron will be mass number minus number of proton, that is 7, and number of electron and number of proton will be equal to each other in neutral atom. Since there is no charge on that, so it will be equal, and that will be equal to 7. So in this case, protons, neutrons and electrons all are having the same number, they are present in the same number, same. Now let's see the next isotopes, that is nitrogen 15. In this case, again proton is 7, that will be same because the element is same. Now next we have number of neutron, neutron is mass number minus proton, that is equal to 8, and number of electron and proton will be equal because this is neutral atom, so it will be 7. Now let's see the next one, that is nitrogen 16. So we have nitrogen 16, again number of proton is 7, number of neutron is 16 minus 7, that is 9, and number of electron and proton are equal, that is 7. And let's see the last isotope, that is nitrogen 17. This is also radioactive, so it is nitrogen 17. Number of neutron is mass number minus atomic number, that is 10. Number of proton is equal to atomic number, and number of proton and electron will be just equal to each other, that is 7. So dear all, we have to remember that proton is basically number of proton is equal to atomic number, and mass number is number of proton plus number of neutron, means that is the neutron n and this is proton p. And in neutral atom, number of proton and electron will be equal to each other.